Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today, I will guide you on how to apply for admission to the International Islamic University Malaysia, also known as IIUM, located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. IIUM is one of the most popular Islamic universities in the world. Thousands of international students apply every year because of its quality education, Islamic environment, affordable tuition fees, and multicultural campus life. If you are planning to study at IIUM, this video will help you understand the complete admission process, required documents, and some important tips and tricks that can increase your chances of getting accepted. First, let's talk about the programs offered at IIUM. IIUM offers undergraduate, master's, and PhD programs in many different fields such as Islamic studies, engineering, law, economics, medicine, computer science, architecture, education, and communication. Before applying, you should carefully choose your desired course and check the academic requirements. Now let's discuss the admission process step by step. Step 1 is visiting the official IIUM admission website. You need to create an online account and fill out the application form carefully with your personal and academic information. Step 2 is preparing the required documents. Usually, international students need passport copy, passport size photo, academic certificates and transcripts, English proficiency certificates such as IELTS or TOEFL, recommendation letters for postgraduate programs, statement of purpose or motivation letter. Make sure all documents are clear and properly scanned in PDF format. Now let's talk about English language requirements. IIUM mainly uses English as the medium of instruction. If your English level is not strong enough, don't worry. IIUM also offers English language improvement programs through its language center. For better chances, try to get a good IELTS or TOEFL score before applying. Now here are some important tips and tricks for international students. Tip number 1. Apply early. Do not wait until the last date, because server problems and document mistakes can happen at the last moment. Tip number 2. Write a strong personal statement. Explain clearly why you want to study at IIUM, your future goals, and how the university can help your career. Tip number 3. Check your email regularly. IIUM usually communicates through email regarding document updates, interviews, or admission results. Tip number 4. Prepare financially. Even though Malaysia is more affordable than many other countries, you still need to manage tuition fees, hostel costs, food, transportation, and visa expenses. Tip number 5. Learn basic English communication skills before arriving in Malaysia. It will help you in classes, presentations, and daily life. Now let's talk about student visa processing. After receiving the offer letter, the university will guide you through the visa application process. You may need medical checkups, passport verification, and visa approval before traveling to Malaysia. Always follow the university instructions carefully, and keep multiple printed copies of your important documents. Another important thing is accommodation. IIUM provides hostel facilities for students, but seats can be limited. So apply for accommodation as early as possible. Malaysia is generally a safe and student-friendly country. People from many different nations study together peacefully at IIUM. Finally, remember this. Getting admission to an international university requires patience, preparation, and confidence. Do proper research, prepare your documents carefully, and never lose hope. If you dream of studying abroad in an Islamic and international environment, IIUM can be a great choice for your future. Thank you for watching. May Allah make your educational journey successful and beneficial. Official website. IIUM official website. Admission portal. IIUM admission portal.